Greetings to all my fellow watch enthusiasts on YouTube and Facebook and wherever else this video is being seen and shared. It's Celine Driver once again. I have another unboxing and review for you. Yes, it's another Zelos. Go figure. But this Zelos is not mine. This is a loaned-in Zelos, local person to me, somewhat local. And I asked if I could borrow the watch to wear for a while and review. Because you know, in the time that I'm making this video, we're all stuck in our homes with the beer flu, and you know, content is everything for YouTubers who want to entertain their audience. So I did commit to try and entertain you folks, and certainly want to try and do that with content. And I knew this watch was there, and I asked if I could borrow it, and he said yes. So here we go. It's you know, nothing unusual with the packaging. It's the typical Zelos heavy cardboard sleeve that we're all used to. The standard Zelos wood box. And the standard Zelos roll. A little something extra for this watch. I mean, you've already seen what this watch is in the title. Where the ZXs, you get a booklet. You know, congratulations, and you know, little marketing blurb about the ZX line and what inspired it. You can pause the video at this point if you want to read the stuff, and instructions on, you know, how to use the chronograph and so on and so forth. It's a very nice book. I mean, it's the only Zelos watch that ever came up to this point, being March 2020. The only Zelos watch that ever came with a instruction book. So, inside the watch roll, we have, you know, the watch came in a little Ziploc baggie there, which we could ignore. And we have the second watch strap. This watch did come on this strap originally, but we swapped it out upon delivery. We have the metal warranty card, which we're all familiar with. And then, of course, over here we have, ta-da, the ZX5. This is one of the bronze watches, obviously. Beautiful blue dial with the panda-esque white subdials at the 12, 6, and 9 positions. Very nice. Kind of a, I don't know, would you call that bronze or maybe gold tinted subdial rings and hands and such things? Just a beautiful, beautiful watch. I mean, I knew he had the watch, and I just knew I wanted to borrow it and review it, because I haven't had a chance to review a bronze ZX line watch. All the ones I've ever reviewed were in titanium. Very nice, very nice. Let's see, we have the running seconds at the 9 o'clock position. We have chronograph minutes and hours at the 12 and 6 respectively, and the big second hand here is the chronograph second. I'm going to let that run so you can see the minute chronograph minute subdial exercise itself. Very nice watch, nice crown. The crown is, as you can see, it's conical in shape. It's supposed to evoke the shape of the SR-71s, which is what this watch was an homage to. the SR-71 Blackbird watch. If you know your airplanes, you know that's the world's fastest airplane, capable of Mach 3 plus. I believe it was so fast it managed to fly across the continental United States in about an hour and a half, maybe even shorter time than that. So the second hand is coming up to a minute, and you see the top register has ticked off a minute there. So, but the crown being conical in shape is supposed to evoke the impression of a jet engine nozzle. You can see the decorated movement underneath. Custom rotor that was done for Zelos. It's very nice, and it's mounted up on a Horween leather strap, which I think the brown of this strap complements the bronze very nicely. I'll put this on real quick to give you a wrist shot. There we go. And these keepers are still a little stiff, even though this watch has been around for a little while. It doesn't get worn as much as you'd think, but there you go. A ZX5 on my 7 1/4 inch wrist. 7 3/4 inch wrist. Geez, I haven't gotten that fat, have I? 7 1/4 inch wrist. You can see the very short lug width drops this thing into the middle of my wrist very, very nicely. I love the sunburst blue. Look at the way it plays with the light. Just beautiful. It's a beautiful watch. Get it off here for a second. And you can see Zelos also provides a bronze buckle with the Zelos logo. You can see the watch is patinaed in very nicely. It didn't have to do anything to it really to get it to patina, owing to the environment in which we live in. Has a high humidity and high salt content in the air, so the watch will patina nicely. Now obviously we can start and stop the watch very easily. You see there's no jump when it starts. It just fires up very nicely. And it will fly back to reset very nicely. Beautiful watch. Anyway, I have my sheet of facts here for you so we can nerd out together. This is, as I said, the Zelos ZX5 automatic. They did make a Mecha Quartz version of this with a Seiko Mecha Quartz movement. I can't remember the exact caliber off the top of my head. You can go to zeloswatches.com to find that out. It is a bronze case with a stainless steel screw-down case back. It is 43 millimeters in diameter. It's 16 millimeters thick. It is a 49 millimeter lug to lug, so it's very short. Can accommodate a variety of wrist sizes. 20 millimeter lug width. 100 meter water resistance. Sapphire crystals front and back, and you can see it is a flat crystal. And it uses the ETA 7750 automatic chronograph movement. So a solid Swiss movement watch. You have you can see on the internal bezel, you have a tachometer scale, which is very helpful. If you're into clocking speed over time and distance, the tachometer scale will definitely be able to help you out. Just a lovely, lovely watch. Wears great, looks great. Love the, you know me, I'm a big fan of blue on my watches. So I would definitely enjoy wearing this watch for a while until the owner wants it back, of course. And I should know, quick release spring bars, definitely helpful. I think they're quick release on the optional band as well. Yeah, you can see them there. So quick release is definitely a nice convenience to have in a watch. And I haven't had any problems with securing them. So hopefully you enjoyed a nice quick review of this watch. I like this patina. There's no, spotting or green grotesque stuff on it. It just, it came to its owner nice and shiny, and over time it just patinaed up nicely. No green fuzz growing on it to make you gag or funny smells or anything like that. Just a nice patinaed watch. Everyone will be a little different. So, if you enjoyed the video, and I hope you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, please. Clicking the like button, the thumbs up button helps with the algorithms with YouTube, helps my channel become a little more searchable, and hopefully will help me grow my channel in the end. Comments, questions, suggestions down below. I'm happy to answer them all. I do. I read them all, I answer them all. If you're going to go negative on me, I don't have to put up with that. It's my channel. I'll just delete the comment and I'll block you. So you can't comment anymore. So be nice. Constructive criticism I can take. Blatantly calling me names or calling me a liar or whatever, like happened recently, don't need that. If you're new to the channel, or you've been here before and yet you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Look at that little red button down there that says subscribe. Click it. And the bell icon right next to it. Click that too. So when I upload new stuff, you are alerted. I appreciate you stopping by. I appreciate you giving me a few minutes of your time. I hope you and your family and your loved ones and your friends and everyone around you are well and healthy. We'll get through this together. I know it. Stay positive. Stay safe. I'll see you soon.